Last week, I presented an AI workflow to a well-established design studio. And honestly, the tools weren't the most interesting part of the conversation. The questions afterwards were: I'd expected people to ask, which software are you using? Or how do the renders work? Can AI replace modeling? But the deeper questions started appearing. What actually is AI? Does it have originality? Does it have a sense of taste? And if it's trained on our collective human past, do we still have something genuinely new that we can create with it? For designers, these are important questions because we're not just technicians, we are supposed to imagine, conceptualize, solve problems, create meaning, and AI changes the landscape around that. Not by replacing our creativity, but it changes where we as humans sit as the value within the process. How do we now make decisions? How do we steer AI? So, in these next few videos, I want to explore AI from a slightly different angle. I want to be less about tutorials, less about prompts, rendering tricks. I want to go more into what is creativity, what is originality, why does our taste matter, and why do humans have a perspective that still matters, or does a human perspective still matter in all of this? And what happens to a designer when AI becomes part of the creative process? So let me close with this thought. I don't think that AI is going to replace designers. I think it's forcing designers to understand what makes humans creative in the first place.